So today we are learning how to make different type of our simple scarf, and this is the first step. What you need to do, are you seeing it? So you have to make something like a bow, then you put it on your head. If you have those black net, you can put it on it to make it firm. It's because I can't find mine. To make it firm, then you have to place your scarf from the back. So you place the scarf from the back and let it come to the front. So you are going to pack everything in the front with the way you want to tie it together. So to make it firm and to bring out the shape of the round this thing that you put inside, and that's the beauty of the scarf that you are tying. So make sure you make it firm so that the beauty of the scarf is going to come out. Then you have to roll the hand to give it a befitting shape. Are you looking at it? Then you tie it at the back, bring it to the front, then put it inside. Then your scarf is ready. I'm just adjusting it to give it a beautiful shape. Are you seeing it? Wow. Are you seeing it? So that's just the way you can tie your simple scarf or your simple gilly. Wow. So get a paper like calendar or A4 paper, then fold it into the shape. Are you looking at it? We want to tie simple Zara scarf. So you have to place the paper in front of your scarf, then you roll it. Let's see it. Wow. Are you looking at it? So then you roll it again. Okay. So you will have put on a scarf, make it bubble to give it a beautiful look. So make your hair to look bubble already. So are you looking at it? So you just have to take it to the back, then tie. Wow. Then you tie. So you tie again. Wow, our Zara scarf is ready. So just put what is inside to the back, and you are ready to go. So you have to take your scarf, then you start from the front. Let them have an equal length. So you have to tie it at the back. So adjust it in the front. So you have to take the two hands, roll it, roll it. Then bring it and twist them together. Roll it together. So you bring it to the front, then you put it inside at the back. So are you seeing it? So you adjust it to how you want it to be in the front. Then your scarf is